Land of wonder gleaming white, snowy mountains glistening light. Mother Nature magically in the world of Inui. North Pole weather you'll find here, adventure throughout the year. Games and fun and fantasy in the world of Inui. In the world of Inui.
Surprise! It's me! Let's play hide and seek.
Okay. I'll count to 10 while you go and hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh?
Ready or not, here I come.
Achoo!
Crackpot, you're not supposed to be hiding me.
Sorry, I don't know what's the matter with me. I just sniffed a snowdrop flower and then my nose exploded. Is it sneezing season?
Maybe you've got Snowdrop Snuffles. Let's go and find Grouchy. He won't have to worry about flowers where he is. Wake up, sleepyhead. Want to play hide and seek?
Might as well, now that you've woken me up.
I'll count to 10. You and Crackpot go and hide.
Hey, snowdrop flowers.
Achoo! Whoa!
Bless you.
Sorry, it happened again.
Crackpot's got Snowdrop Snuffles.
So I see.
Let's go see Lady. I don't think there will be any flowers up there.
Uh-oh. Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
If he doesn't stop sneezing soon, he'll be the first caribou on the moon.
Look out!
Oh no, not again!
Thanks a lot, Grouchy. You're super soft and bouncy.
That's it. Fall on the polar bear. We love being squashed.
If there's something better than counting pebbles, I'd like to hear about it.
Yoo-hoo!
Yoo-hoo, Lady!
Hey!
Shh! Be very, very quiet. You don't want to start an avalanche. Shh! There aren't any flowers around here, are there? Crackpot's got Snowdrop Snuffles. No, but keep your voice down. Yes, I'd love to play hide and seek. I'll count to 30 and you hide.
You can count to 30?
Yes, and even higher. 1, 4, 5. My head's sticking out.
Now my bottom is sticking out.
This is no good. We'll have to look for somewhere else to hide.
Lady's bound to notice this rock shadow doesn't match. Follow me. 27, 28. This is perfect. 29,
No!
30. No, Crackpot. Ready or not, here I come. What's all that noise?
What did you say?
Well, at least that flower's gone.
Achoo!
Crackpot hasn't got the snowdrop snuffles at all. He's got it cold. I know just what he needs. Feeling better.
Are you
He said, are there any more marshmallows?